another short McHale's Minute. We do have a new update on the dashboard of your websites, your LeadSites rather, and I did want to show you a couple of stuff. The first one being a couple of things rather, my apologies. The first thing being that when you do navigate to the app section, we have updated it for users who don't maybe feel like they're at an expert level or advanced level when it comes to computer technologies. We now have a filter that basically shows you what apps you should be focused on depending on your level of knowledge or base knowledge on how to work a website, how to use your computer, and things like that. So if you notice, it has an apps page header menu now where it asks what your skill level is. And don't be scared to change the skill level. If you're on expert, it's going to give you all of the app options. If you feel like you're in the middle ground of computer knowledge, computer language skills, and things like that, you do have a new filter that shows the apps that you should focus on. And then if you filter it to beginner, it's going to show the very basic things that you can do on your website to help generate good SEO results, create some pay-per-click advertising or landing pages with squeeze page and things like that, edit your homepage, create IDX stuff, things like that. So it's a very quick, easy way to try and figure out where I should begin my journey on helping my website gain traction via SEO or generating leads with pay-per-click ads. Again, all you want to do is simply go to the app section of your dashboard, hit what your skill level is, the drop-down will appear, and you can adjust what you feel comfortable using. If you're a new user, definitely the beginner section is where you'd want to start. If you've done all of those, you can move up to medium. You'll notice that some of the apps do open up to you, and then from there you can go down to expert where all of the apps are available. So this is just a good way to kind of help you get comfortable using the system a little bit more and adjusting your plan of attack. Feel free to take advantage of it. If you do have any questions about where you think you should align or have any questions about the apps in each skill level, feel free to email support@EasyAgentPro.com. You can hit the help button and go there, or you can always hit up some of us via the education section. You will notice in the right-hand corner there is a community section that allows you to schedule a support call as well. So take advantage of that. Feel free to ask us some questions, and we will chat with you later. Thank you.